welcome to CNC24. We'd like to know that any message you would like to give to the home buyers who are considering a high-end living.
I know and I'm sure that owning a home at Kowari will feel like owning a Rolls Royce or a Birkin. That's all I have to say.
Wow, okay. That's amazing.
What do you have to say about
So
it?
then I think I need to own one as well
Yeah,
in the
please.
Kohli group for sure. Well, of course, I think they stand for elegance, class. They genuinely cater to some amazing lifestyle of living, and I'm really happy and proud and glad that I can be part of today.
And we are very proud that she is going to launch the grand event for us today.
I would like to know that how does it feel to unveil this Kowari tonight?
I think, like the way ma'am said, I think I'm very happy to be part of such a prestigious group today and unveil such a fantastic way of living. And I'm just happy that we can all be here together and start the new year on such a auspicious and a good note.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah.
And she actually resonated with and aligns with the product, super luxury statement. It's like owning a jewelry. If you own a home at Kowari, it's like owning a jewelry.
A statement piece.
Exactly.
That's what it is.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So you're here for the Kowari. How was your experience here?
बहुत मज़ा आया. I didn't expect, मुझे लगा, वो थोड़ा ऐसी सब कॉर्पोरेट चीज़ें थोड़ी है ना बोरिंग होती है. But it was so interesting, especially because my family lives here. A part of my family lives in Delhi. So I was very happy to see कि वो इतना डेवलप हो रहा है. The project looks super luxurious. मतलब मेरा दिल हो रहा है मैं यहाँ पे घर ले लूँ. उतना पैसा होता तो.
So how do you define luxury? Luxury आपके लिए क्या है? Luxury living.
लग्जरी यानी कि ये मतलब सारी एमिनिटीज हो, यानी कि बिल्डिंग से बाहर जाने का दिल ही ना हो, बिल्डिंग मॉल जैसी लगे, विच कोवरी डिड.
सब चीजें बिल्डिंग में मिल जाए.
हाँ, मतलब कि इंसान को और क्या चाहिए. अगर इतना पैसा हम खर्च करके घर ले ही रहे हैं, स्पेशली दे से दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, व्हाट एल्स डू यू नीड कि ग्रेटर कैलाश में इतना ब्यूटीफुल लग्जूरियस प्रोजेक्ट हो विच रिजेंबल्स kind of Dubai kind of buildings.
Right.
So that I like about this thing.
Sure. And any message you would like to give to your followers, because you are too much famous on social media.
Too much famous का पता नहीं.
नहीं, you are.
But जब तक आप लोग unapologetically अपने आप से ट्रू रहोगे और कोई फसाड या फेक चेहरा पहन के नहीं घूमोगे, सक्सेस तुमको ढूंढेगा, ना कि तुम्हें सक्सेस के पीछे भागना पड़ेगा. एंड कोवरी ऑल्सो डज दैट कि उन लोगों ने एक ड्रीम क्रिएट करके दूसरों को दिया है, ना कि किसी का ड्रीम चुराया है. तो किसी की तरह बनने की कोशिश मत करो, अपने आप के साथ ट्रू रहो.
Right. So I've seen your content. आप फेमिनिज्म को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोट करते हैं,
Of
right?
course.
And here
बट
also.
नॉट फेक फेमिनिज्म.
Right.
फेमिनिज्म भी दो तरह का है.
बिल्कुल.
मैं औरत और आदमी इक्वल नहीं बोलती, मैं बोलती हूँ इज्जत में इक्वल रहते हैं, बाकी सब देख लेंगे.
और कुंवारी को भी अभी जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं वो एक विमेन ही है.
यस.
तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है इसी
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मतलब कि जब इंडिया में औरतों की बात होती है, वो लोग सिर्फ हमको ब्यूटी, किचन इसमें सीमित करते हैं. तो जो कोवरी के को फाउंडर है, इट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग दैट शी बीइंग अ वुमन टेकिंग ओवर एंड पुटिंग हर आइडियाज
yes.
into it, making it look more relatable to any woman. Because आज की दुनिया में औरतें खुद अपना घर खरीद रही है, तो औरतें बिल्डिंग क्यों नहीं बना सकती, प्रोजेक्ट्स क्यों नहीं बना सकती.
Very well said. Thank you so much for your time.
Very nice to meet you. Thank you.
Same. So, sir, tell us about your experience. You're collaborating with so many influencers here. How does it feel today?
I think the event was absolutely amazing, and I genuinely believe that when it comes to marketing, nothing. If you have a good product, so then the remaining, the surrounding garnishing, it's important. It does bring a certain flair, but I think if your product is nice, then it sells on its own. And I think with the edge, what Kowari Group has done is they have become I would say path setter. For a long time, when it comes to high rises, builders have upped their game. They have been bringing more and more facilities and keep making the product, making the apartments, high end, adding more facilities in the clubs. And that has been going on for a while. But when it comes to low rises, people were still stuck in that old mindset कि एक प्री सेट कॉस्ट है, उस पर बेच रहा है और उसके अंदर जो फिट आता है वो कर दो. But I think here they've gone absolutely the other way. They've done a 180-degree pivot, and what they have done is that let's give end customer, somebody who is looking for, I think, not just functionality but also high-end luxury, elegance, functionality, and all of that put together. And I think Edge does all of that. We do get a lot of people who buy these builder floors and then they come to us for upgrading that, which I always felt was a waste, emotional waste. एक बार बिल्डर ने काम कर लिया, अब वो एंड यूज़र फिर उसको अपग्रेड कर रहा है. एंड आई ऑलवेज वंडर कि ये बिल्डर ही क्यों नहीं दे देते अच्छा करके, बिकॉज देयर इज ऑलवेज अ मार्केट फॉर गुड प्रोडक्ट. एंड आई एम genuinely glad that Covering took this step, and this is going to be a benchmark, and it's probably lead to a paradigm shift. Now you'll see more and more low-rise, the builders for low-rises getting into this mindset.
Okay, sir. And everybody has their own definition of luxury. How do you define that?
I think it doesn't matter what everybody feels or says. When it comes to luxury, in my opinion, 5 चीज़ें must है. पहला, it has to be personalized. It has to be centered around you, your preferences, your functionality, what you like. So पहला वो personalization, that's very important. दूसरा, I think when it comes to luxury, whether it's a project or a product, couple of things are non-alienable. In sense, they are non-negotiable. What are those? One, raw materials. It has to be perfect, the best that you can find. The workmanship has to be impeccable. Okay. Otherwise, it's not luxurious. Teesra, and very important, is that it has to be rare. If everybody is doing that, if it's available everywhere, then it is not luxury. And lastly, I would say, which is also a very critical component, is in your mind, do you classify it? Do you categorize it as luxury? And then uske liye your branding, marketing plays an important role. So I think so. In 5 चीज़ें किसी चीज़ में आ जाए, if it's personalized, if the raw material used were high quality, if the workmanship was impeccable, if it is rare, and if in your mind you place it, you categorize it as luxury, then it is luxury. So 5 चीज़ें होना critical है, and I think Edge achieves all 5.
Wonderful, sir. And would you tell us about the project that is there in GK1?
These are it's a small project. There are 4 individual units. I was speaking to Raj Bhai, and I believe whatever price they are pricing it at, it's less. They should actually genuinely increase it by 30-40% at least, because the product is going to be absolutely unique and wonderful, and they shouldn't have any problem selling it. 4 ही तो यूनिट है, तो वो बिक जाएंगे. एंड मेरी यही एडवाइस थी कि जो भी अगर लेना चाहता है, जो पहला लेगा, बिकॉज आई वॉज एब्सोल्युटली एडमेंट, आई सेड यू कैन नॉट सेल इट एट दिस प्राइस बिकॉज इट डजंट डू जस्टिस. आई अंडरस्टैंड इट गिव्स यू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ हाउ टू से फुटहोल्ड, बट स्टिल द प्रोडक्ट needs to be priced more. So I think they're thinking of selling it at price which I believe is very low.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure.
Thank you. So tell us about your experience here. There are so many influencers. What are your thoughts right now?
Oh well, the event was exquisitely curated, very regal, very elegant. So Riku is a close friend, obviously, and over the time she has shared her vision with me as well. Knowing the owners personally makes it so meaningful, seeing their vision come alive. Moreover, I truly wish every success to the team, to the entire team of Covering, and Riku, Rajvi, Virenji, everyone, and as they embark on this remarkable journey.
Thank you. And lastly, any message you would like to give to the buyers about the Covering?
Well, I think this event in itself is a real testament of what they can expect in the future. It's a mix of elegance and luxury. The 2 sisters, like they have told the story as well, the 2 sisters trying to really struggle, trying to find harmony and a real meaning in the home. I think the buyers can really relate to it, especially the ones who are looking for real luxury, not just something that's just totally artificial.
Right. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
My pleasure.